Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to deposit or withdraw on Coinbase Pro exchange. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Coinbase Pro, just click on the sign up option, and from there, all you have to do is just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, for those who are not familiar on Coinbase Pro, it's a cryptocurrency exchange platform operated by Coinbase and one of the largest and most well-known cryptocurrency exchange in the world. All right. Basically, Coinbase Pro was designed for more advanced traders and institutions who require access to a wider range of trading features and tools compared to Coinbase basic brokerage platforms. As you can see, it offers a more sophisticated trading experience with lower fees and increased liquidity, catering to the needs of professional traders, active investors, and algorithmic trading firms. Now, from here, one of the key features of Coinbase Pro is the advanced trading interface, because as you can see from here, it provides a customizable trading interface with advanced charting tools right here, from the overlay, the mid-market price, and a lot more. Now, in that sense, traders can analyze price movements, place trades, and manage their portfolios with precision and efficiency. Now, the thing is, the first step that we are going to do in order to deposit and withdraw funds in Coinbase Pro is basically just click on buy option right here and put the amount that you wanted. And once you have enough balance here on the amount of the, say for example, it's going to be USD, all you have to do is click on sale on the left side panel of your dashboard. And obviously from there, select the cryptocurrency or fiat currency you wish to deposit into your Coinbase Pro. Say for example, right now I'm on BTC, but you can choose a lot more, from Ethereum, from XTZ, BCH, Dash, and a lot more. Say for example, we're going on the USDT for now. Click on that. All right. And you also have the option to select the market right here. Is it going to be GBH, ETH, and a lot more? And these are the corresponding prices. It's a real-time data. And you also have the option for the trade history at the right side panel of your dashboard. Now, when you hover to the upper right corner, you have an access to your Coinbase, the normal account, your wallet, the NFT, and the help center. Obviously, you also have an access to the business account for the prime, commerce, exchange, and derivatives. Also, you have the developer mode, wherein you can access the cloud, base, and participant, plus the doc files here on the trade options. Now, after selecting the currency, Coinbase Pro will provide you with a deposit address or details for making the deposit. This may include a wallet address for cryptocurrencies or wire transfer details for fiat currencies. And after that, depending on the cryptocurrency or fiat currency you are depositing it may take some time for transaction to be confirmed and the funds to appear on your Coinbase Pro account. And obviously, just monitor your account for updates on the deposit status, right? It's important to note that deposit and withdrawal process may vary depending on the cryptocurrency or fiat involved, as well as any specific requirements or restrictions imposed by Coinbase Pro or external financial institution. I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.